Module 3, Explaining. Distinguishing between teens and tens on a vital signs flowsheet. How good are you at being able to recognize numbers that you hear? Many people have difficulty distinguishing between the following numbers. Let's see how you do. First, I'll read a few numbers in the right column, then numbers in the left column. What do you notice as the difference? 30, 50, 70, 13, 15, 17. You should have noticed that the numbers in the first column had a clear T sound, while those in the second column did not. But that isn't the only difference, and actually sometimes people will make the T sound when they say those numbers. Listen again. What do you notice? 16, 60, 17, 70, 18, 80. You should have noticed that with the numbers in the second column, the second syllable is not stressed at all. It's very quiet, while the second syllable of the numbers in the first column, the teen numbers, is stressed. I'll read a few sentences and you write the number down, then compare them to my numbers. The baby's pulse rate is 140. The baby's pulse rate is 140. The baby's pulse rate is 114. The baby's pulse rate is 114. The baby's pulse rate is 170. The baby's pulse rate is 170. The baby's pulse rate is 117. The baby's pulse rate is 117. That's 30 respirations per minute. That's 30 respirations per minute. That's 13 respirations per minute. That's 13 respirations per minute. That's 16 respirations per minute. That's 16 respirations per minute. That's 60 respirations per minute. That's 60 respirations per minute. Sorry, did you say 14 respirations per minute? Sorry, did you say 14 respirations per minute? Sorry, did you say 40 respirations per minute? Sorry, did you say 40 respirations per minute? Okay, so his blood pressure is 140 over 90. Okay, so his blood pressure is 140 over 90. Okay, so her blood pressure is 115 over 60. Okay, so her blood pressure is 115 over 60. Did you say her blood pressure was 150 over 60? Did you say her blood pressure was 150 over 60? How did you do? In the activity that follows, you will listen to someone reading vital signs, and you will record those vital signs on a vital signs flow sheet. The flow sheet looks like this. You will need to fill in the patient's name, gender, and date of birth. The dates have already been filled in. Notice that there's a variation in how they are written. Different individuals wrote the dates differently, but they all followed the day, month, year order as specified in the top right corner under date. You will listen to fill in all the vital sign statistics as well as the pain ratings. Pay careful attention to distinguish between the teen numbers like 13 and 14 and the tens numbers like 30 and 40. Okay, let's get started.